All right, guys, we are very excited to have you here with us today because we're gonna skate
something deadly that...
Look at that. What if you fall and land on that?
Well, we can go dole it outside, break some ground.
No,
not
we're not gonna break some ground.
Too late.
The camera does not do any.
Ow! Ooh!
It doesn't do it justice. It's really sharp.
It is really sharp.
I already broke some ground with it.
I think
I tried to dole it.
You did? Where?
Right there.
Not in here. Fetty, are you kidding me?
I was attacking a box and it went all the way through with me not knowing it was going all the way through.
do to your body.
Could go all the way through.
Yeah.
So Daniel went on a very long rant yesterday about what would happen if one of us died, and I would like you to revisit this and tell Aaron what you were saying.
I don't know. If I died, I'd be really mad. Then I'd haunt the people that made the pickaxe, and then it would take hundreds of years probably to get my message over that we were skating a pickaxe, and that's not what it's meant for anyways. And I don't know.
He said specifically that he would go haunt the company that developed that pickaxe, and then he would like go and haunt the company, and the company would be like, "What the heck? There's nothing I can do. We said specifically not to skate it, and you guys skated it, so it's your fault that you're dead."
Yeah,
and then he would be like, "Okay, I don't know what to do
see
anymore."
anything on here.
No skateboarding
Genuine
sign.
hickory. I don't see anything that says don't skate it.
Look at assembled in USA. Well, they're not wrong about that. We assembled it right here.
I don't think it would, here's what you do, okay? You mess with the electronics and every time they turn on their computer, the video is playing.
This is not right because it came to us in a box, unassembled.
Oh!
I'm supposed to be on your good side.
How do we put trucks on this?
You're the stairmaster.
Got it.
Put screws in there,
Screws?
No.
and then when the sharp end comes out, you just hammer it down and flatten it out like you always do.
All right, MacGyver, I'll put screws in there. All right, you Australian guy, how are we gonna put these trucks on here, okay? I just almost took off my leg.
Look, that is really genuine hickory.
True.
Okay, you gotta.
Go back to my original idea here.
Well, that's not coming out.
Well done.
Premium hickory.
And these ones.
Literally nothing is happening.
Impressive.
Well, I have been building mini houses lately, so. First try.
There you go! Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Oh no!
Let me get this out of here because the pickaxe is going straight forward.
Well done. That's one. See, there you go.
Woo, it's hot.
Whoa! This video is turning out great.
I guess you should have asked how we were gonna do this before we started.
This has nothing to do with Fortnite.
My favorite deodorant, Axe.
Chocolate Axe is the best flavor.
Who you use Axe?
No, I did in middle school. Wait, high school.
It's a smell, not a flavor. Yeah, that didn't split the hickory. No big,
Well, stop
no big deal.
drilling into it.
What do you mean stop?
If it's genuine hickory, it's not gonna break.
Oh, yep. That looks safe.
Extremely safe.
I'm out of mats. Why way down there?
Where do you want to put it?
You need a tail so you can drop in and stuff.
Up here, Danga?
Right there.
Right there, Danger Dan. Okay.
I want a TV show following your life called Danger Dan. Or Danger Dan's, and then it could follow both of you.
No.
Always offset it a tiny bit.
Don't too thin, Danger.
What's it?
Danger Dan.
I don't have an axe, I have a lamp.
A lamb.
He does.
Ooh.
Ooh, that does not sounding good, mate. Oh, looking good though. Ooh, ouch.
Oh no. It's like one side is on, another's not. I feel like it's just gonna roll, and the pickaxe is gonna roll, and then we're gonna die.
He always thinks of the worst case scenario, and generally, worse than he thought of happens to him. Hold on.
He went to the doctor earlier this week because he felt like there was something wrong, and then the doctor told him to go home because there's no test that they could do to tell him that he was okay. Are you going through a wall today?
No. Dang. We're not going through the wall today. After the ceiling, we're not going through no more walls.
Dang it. What? Oh! You should try to chop the block in half. It was only $17.
Poor Carlos. No, he'll never forgive us. You're never really ready for something like this.
I really do want you to just take a full swing somewhere. Just at least once. Oh, gosh. You remember when you swung the Christmas tree around and it hit me in the nuts?
No.
That's what I'm afraid of in this video.
If this hits you in the nuts?
Yes.
You,
Like,
well,
I would like to have children at some point in the future, okay?
first try?
Can I get some glasses?
No. I feel like this is like one of those magic shows just to like prove that it's real. Gabe, he's filming like this.
I'm not trying to hurt my eyes, man.
If anyone's eyes will not be fine, it'll probably be mine.
I felt some chips hit me, all right? I'm glad I covered my eyes.
What's the worst swing
Let
I've-
Fetty get a whack at it.
The most anticlimactic swing ever. Go
Give it
ahead.
to Fetty. Oh my gosh!
I just got like 600 stone, you don't even know.
Fetty, we needed that parking block.
Can we get a broom on the premises, please? Clean up on aisle mani pad.
I'm really scared of this.
What?
Because the truck is gonna fall off and the thing's gonna roll, and then the sharp part's up, and then you fall and you're dead. Oh! Daniel's running. Okay, not so bad, it's safe.
Oh no! Why would you do a shot?
I landed on my toe.
There you go.
Shove is way more dangerous.
A shove? Yeah, that's why I want to do it.
Why'd you go?
Because I'm a daredevil.
I'm doing the mini ramp.
You know, there's a lot of things here that they've been really dangerous, and I feel like this is, for some reason, I'm like more concerned about this one than like the other ones.
Can you put some normal shoes on?
But these are warm.
No, he has the right shoes for this video. Daylight come and me one go.
Stay away from my ankles.
Watch this power slide.
Whoa.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I cannot believe that's still on there. I mean, look at this. It split the wood. Split the wood here and here. I think this one's pretty solid though, because it has 4. This one, it's already fallen off.
That'll be okay.
Did I get off the ground?
I don't know. Oh, that was it.
I feel like he almost credit carded.
The one before that, you did get off the ground approximately that far.
That's all I
It does count. There you go. That's the way I was thinking you were gonna ride it. Oh no. What happened?
The front hits.
I guess you gotta skate it the other way.
Then the back will hit.
But the back hitting is better than the front hitting.
It's difficult.
Watch your legs!
Aaron, you want to cut a little bit off?
Cut a little bit off?
Yeah.
Or should we just move the trucks down?
Either one.
Well, let's play a quick flat ground game of SK8. Dang it. Okay, go Fetty.
Hey, drop in.
Oh.
I mean, do we count that?
It pierced the ramp.
Yeah.
I mean the box. Hey.
How did he do that like this? Ow! Pinched my fingers.
Ref. What do you say, ref?
Why am I the ref?
Wait, what are the parameters? Tell me how far I need to get.
Made it to the other ramp.
You want me to make it all the way to the other ramp? Did he call it?
Off, like, right as you hit your wheels.
The back truck's falling off. Go ahead. Your turn. S.
Ollie. Ollie.
All right, everyone make sure he actually gets off the ground.
Well, I did, but I didn't land it.
Your trick, Aaron. That is a lot less sketchy than a lot of other boards you've skated.
Oh, okay. Well, then look at this.
Okay, that takes the cake then.
Get nice and low, real close to Troy. It penetrated my loins.
I don't think you can use that word on YouTube.
Loins? I don't even know if we can make it to SK8. It's gonna be like a not moving shove, a moving shove, and a fakey shove.
I'm all out of mats.
Oh!
That was actually really good.
Dang, that's a K.
Last letter already?
Aaron, you're really mining for those letters.
I'm gonna get him, don't worry.
Mine over matter.
I'm about to dig me some gold.
Great Scott! Oh no.
He's trying the 5s?
I hope not. Oh, can I get to safety first? Letter.
I need to go fast.
Any last words for your friend?
Why? This is the worst way to go out.
Oh no!
I guess he was trying a firecracker.
What if you land primo on this thing?
You're dead. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, wow. Almost died just there. Okay, I'm going to get this, Gabe Cruz.
Moving?
Yeah, I think it's maybe a little easier.
Oh! Okay, it's progressively getting less scary.
Is it?
I think so.
Or more scary?
Less scary.
I don't know if I could do the 5.
Oh, wait, I got a good idea. Let's just attach this to the bungee and pull it as far as we can.
Aaron, now you were talking! And then we can, hey, this time instead of using a kicker ramp, we can use the quarter.
He hit like this stair number 2.
Oh!
That was the most incredible trick I've ever done skateboarding anywhere.
Man, this really is your Minecraft.
Truth.
I got really scared for your shins right there.
No, I didn't.
I'm getting secondhand anxiety from this video.
Is that a thing?
It is now. Oh, no! Your one chance to win, and you blew it!
Oh!
It's okay, let me get that out for you.
Ow. Yeah, my ankle like twisted. We're good.
Oh no. No, you are not.
Working on the chain gang! Fork. You know, in my mind, I was like, if I do this right next to the rail, I won't land it. Look at how close I
I
was.
was thinking that too, actually. You keep that trick away from me. So genuinely scared.
Yep.
Hey, you relax.
Why in the...
I'm gonna rock the fakie.
Oh no. How did it end up on this side?
Sort of did a nose pick. Get it?
That was good.
Got him. Shoink, 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 shoink. I'd like to see a 3 shove on this. Oh! It just makes me want to cry.
No, I
Give me that. What? Judge?
My heart is beating so fast.
What was he trying just there?
Trying to rock the fake, I don't know what happened. I think he was actually trying to kill me.
With the power of Thor, I will figgy shove this. Oh! Oh, Thunderbreaker! Ah!
K to K? Aaron! Aaron, no, Aaron, no! No, please don't. Did you hit yourself?
Or there's just blood gushing like. That was a bit iffy, mate.
Who put that back in his hands?
All right, I'm in for one's chops. Man, I don't know what else I got on this. First try!
Good.
Haven't had a real good, genuine first try in a while. It's like, what did you lose on? Rolling up. Hey! Bad fatty.
It's good.
Judge.
It was acceptable.
I'm kind of going all out on this. Not gonna lie. Wait for it.
I'd watch out if I were you.
What's happening?
I don't know.
Did I 180?
No.
Judge.
That was had the mockers on it. No, I say it's good. It's good.
No. Rebate. Oh!
It's literally impossible.
Seriously, how did you do that?
I don't know. I did it first try though, so it counts. So I win. I'm gonna fix it.
Look at that. Too much. Our poor bench.
Oh.
Perfect.
Alright, I need like this cut off.
Safety first.
Power?
Now we can get a handle on things.
That smells so good. For some reason, that looks a lot safer.
I'm just, I don't know about this truck.
One truck is like this, and the other truck is like this. And he just drops in.
Consider it a skateboard, it's only 3 wheels.
3 wheels, yeah. Scooter.
Oh! He did it.
Yeah, he's got that. All right, guys, leave it in the comments below. Hashtag notification squad with your guess at how many tries it took Fetty to land this trick, and may the best person win. We will pick one person and send you a hashtag notification squad prize package. Let's go!
What if it lands like that and jumps down?
Oh my gosh, look. It almost did, watch. Look at his butt. Oh! Yeah! Oh!
Ah!
That was funny.
Thank you.
Well played, sir. Well played. Wow, you really destroyed that.
No, it destroyed me.
You sort of were mining diamonds there.
No, I got a lot of duds and then I found only 1 diamond.
You were like coal, 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 which is also somewhat valuable.
Yeah.
Diamond.
Oil. End of the video.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video and had a blast watching it. We had a blast making it. Check out all the other videos right here in this playlist. There are some really, really, really fun ones. And if you are learning how to skateboard, go to brailleskateboarding.com and get your gear. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, leave that comment below.